Welcome to my 2008 manual E60 V10 M5. Now, they only made 1,367 of these in all of the years produced, and that was 20 years ago. So the amount of these that are left and left in the condition that this car is in, very, very few. So regardless of whatever the applied value is on Kelley Blue Book, to owners like me who absolutely love and desire these cars, they're irreplaceable, because they'll never make a super saloon like this again. I'll show you what I mean. But when we talk a manual V10 M5, there's nothing better.